Hola muchachos, welcome back. Very excited for today's video because we're gonna go ahead and declutter my entire house. Now, kind of lucky for me, we don't live in a super humongous space. We live in 700, 800 square feet, give or take. So if you're a usual watcher of my channel, you know that I stay very minimal when it comes to the things that I own. I also declutter probably every single month. And that's the thing, when you're trying to live more minimal, decluttering is something that you actually do often. It's a never-ending journey. I'm always decluttering because things are always coming into our house, especially after the Christmas holiday season. It's much needed. So I hope you guys like this video, just going through my whole house, decluttering stuff, organizing stuff, because right now it's a little bit of a mess, especially after the holidays and after baby Elizabeth has been born. Life has been a little bit crazy, so this is very much needed. I'm very excited to do this. So the things that I declutter are gonna either get repurposed, donated, or recycled. And I don't know how much I'm actually gonna give away, but the whole idea is to let go of things I'm not using anymore. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and if you like declutter, minimalism videos. I hope you guys really enjoyed this one, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. So definitely the first place that I want to focus on is the living room. We have our computer table here, a bunch of the kids' toys, a couch, and I'm still looking for some toy organization for some small spaces. When I went to my brother and sister-in-law's house, they had this great bench that opened that could store a lot of stuff, and then it's also functional because they use it for seating. So I think I'm gonna get a nice bench to store all the kids' toys in the living room for now, but I'm definitely gonna go and declutter some of the kids' toys because they did get a lot of stuff for Christmas this year from family and friends. And then I'm gonna go ahead and also we're gonna take down some of our Christmas decorations because it's no longer Christmas, and I like to get these things packed pretty quick after Christmas. So let's go ahead and get that going. So far, a pillow and just a couple bags of stuff, and now I'm actually gonna head over into the kids' room because I feel like that could be a good idea to go through some of their toys, some of their clothes. There's just a couple things that I think I'll be able to get rid of there. So let's go do that. So right now in the kids' room, firstly, it's messy in here. Secondly, if you're wondering why Calvin's crib is flipped on its side, he doesn't like sleeping in his crib anymore, and he's really good at night at being on his mattress, being on his bed, even though it's open, and then falling asleep. So he's been really happy and loving that lately. So that's why that is like that, but we will be getting him a proper bed soon, or maybe when we move, we'll see. But there's some toys I'm gonna declutter and clothes, just like what I told you guys, and then a couple other kind of decor things that I think we should just really let go of because we're not using and they're kind of just falling apart. So let's do that. I'm really excited to tackle this room. piece because the knobs keep falling off and I'm just tired of gluing them on. I can see if I can repurpose this for something else, but without knobs, it won't work too well. So we're gonna let that go. And I just have some kids' clothes that they've just stretched out and they don't work as well as they used to. So I'm gonna go ahead and donate these. We're gonna move on to our next room. Also, kind of in this little nook, me and Kieran, because we live in a small space, we just have this much of a closet as well as some stuff up here, and this is where we keep most of our clothes. I will be doing a closet declutter very soon because I have some clothes that I think I just need to let go of, as well as some things that I can maybe DIY and repurpose. And then on top of that, I just had a baby, so I have a lot of bigger clothes and maternity clothes that I'm obviously not going to wear anymore because that was hopefully my last pregnancy. So a closet declutter will be coming soon. But for now, we're going to head back into the living room kitchen area and declutter some stuff from the kitchen. Next up is the bathroom, and I feel like it's actually not too bad in here. I have some products that I want to clean out of the vanity, as well as some old towels and especially some of the kids' bath toys. Me and Kieran gifted the kids some bath toys for Christmas in order for us to get rid of some of their older bath toys that are just kind of yucky and need to be let go of. So we're gonna do that. I may be the most excited for decluttering this space than any other space so far. Into the mudroom, and as you can see, I have a lot of the things that we are letting go of in here. I'm just storing them in here for now. I'll be moving them out to the van pretty soon. I'm kind of sad about this, but we have this like multicolored shopping cart that Ivy and Calvin really love, but in a couple places it's cracking and it's starting to shed off some like splinters. So I kind of sneaked that out of their room. They're napping right now, and that's something that I will be letting go of. So I had to be kind of sneaky about it, but it's something that really is just causing more havoc for me and more cleaning than I would like. But here in the mudroom, we have these great shelves. These are the Kallax shelves from IKEA. They're very functional and they're working as a space divider between our mudroom and actually our kind of mini bedroom nook. It stays very organized a lot of the time, and even now it's really good, but there's some things in here that I can let go of, declutter, and organize maybe a little bit differently. You gotta be careful because things like this can really act as a catch-all, so I just wanna make sure that a lot is decluttered and organized. As well as the rest of the mudroom, it's all really stayed on top of for the most part, but again, just some things that need to be done. And I'm gonna let go of a bunch of my shoes just because the toe box is just a little too skinny and that can really ruin your feet. Me and my husband were introduced to Vivos not too long ago, Vivo barefoot shoes, and I can't even buy a regular pair of shoes anymore because they don't feel good, they don't feel comfortable. So I'm getting rid of a lot of my shoes that are just really restrictive to my feet and only buying shoes that are letting my feet open and work the way that feet are supposed to. So let's go ahead and declutter the mudroom. So So the last space that I'm going to declutter is our storage room. To be honest, there's not too much that needs to be decluttered here because again, I just stay really on top of things that are coming into the house and things that I can take out of the house. But there's definitely some organization that I would like to do because it's become another catch-all spot where we don't know what to do with this blanket, this book, and we just kind of huck it somewhere and then it stays there until I kind of clean it up. Let's go ahead and do that. Also, I totally forgot, but I have this really fake looking fig tree that I'm actually gonna bring back out into the living room. It's my fake filming fig tree and I absolutely love this thing. And one day I'd love to have a real fig tree, but until then we're working with this fake one. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Ooh, nearly tripped. Okay. Yeah, we got this. We did everything that I wanted to do and wanted to get to. If you're curious why I didn't declutter mine and Kieran's bedroom, it's because there's only 2 side tables in it because again, we live in a small home. And I've already recently decluttered them anyways, so I totally forgot about when I was decluttering them. I could have saved it for this video, but I really only got rid of a couple things and organized a few things. That's why I didn't get to that today. But thank you guys very much for watching. In total, we're donating 7 bags just filled with various items, as well as some bigger pieces too. And I am gonna go outside into the porch and shed area within the next couple days. Hopefully I'll snag a sunny day and I'll be able to declutter a bunch of stuff there as well. Broken sand toys, destroyed garden tools, you know what I mean. So I'm really looking forward to doing that. I'm gonna get Kieran to help me out with that too. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!